Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get refund if you have more than 2 hours of playing time on Steam. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome and search Steam Support. And open the first website and scroll down and click on the purchase. Scroll down. Click on I have charges from Steam that I didn't make. Now scroll again and click on contact Steam support. And here give the detail they want: phone number included, country, area code, last digit of your visa, and the charges and the date. And here you can type this: I bought the game and I played the game for 2 hours. I was trying to run the game and the game is having problems. The game is not working properly, so I want a refund. Then they will give you a refund. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.